Now, if you haven't seen the video of the guy talking about his field trip to the cotton processing plant, you should watch that because it's really funny and it's actually what inspired me to make this video. So after watching that video, it got me to think, what other cool field trips have I gone to? From like kindergarten to 12th grade, you go to like some crazy places. Like I went to a jail, a prison, Quantico, the FBI place, Philly, New York, DC, for museums, Broadway shows, stuff like that. However, one field trip stuck out to me that I thought was kind of like, why? In the 5th grade, I went to Outback Steakhouse for a field trip. Now, I don't know what the purpose was of that field trip because we still had to pay for our food, but when we went there, we learned how to cut potatoes the way they do for their fries, which is basically just you put a potato, you got a lever, and there's like a cutting thingy-mabob, and then you pull it down, and it falls into like a vat of water. And for some reason, all of us were so excited we got to cut our own potato. And we also made bloomin' onion for them. We learned how to cut it up, throw some flour in it, mix it all up, and throw it in the fryer. I really don't understand the purpose of that field trip or why any school would bring their kids to a restaurant to learn. But one last story, since we're on the elementary school subject. You know how yearbook signing is like a big deal and you guys write your phone numbers, like your house number, so your friends can call you over the summer and y'all can hang out and play at the park and whatever, write hags? Well, whenever someone in my class didn't sign my yearbook and I notice at the end of the day when I'm back at home just looking through the names and stuff, I write their names in my own yearbook and write a little message towards myself. I don't know why I did it. Elementary school Isabel was just like,
I used to care what people
bruh,
thought,
I got you. I'll just fill it out for you. Just write a little cute message to myself, thanks, whatever. I never do the hearts around people's names, never highlight people's names. I just signed my own yearbook with their names. I was practicing forging signatures.
Like Cobain,
early, I don't know, I'm just
sing a swan song, cause we all just ticking time bombs, got a Lambo like LeBron's mom, and no matter where all of my friends go, Emily, family,
but luckily we don't have to worry about yearbooks anymore, so
at least I think so.
Yeah.
Can't tell.
Okay, bye.